Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is going to be workout gear organization, and before I get started, yes, I know it's organized weird. So just to refrain from all the comments and why you organize your stuff like that. I organize it like that because that's what works for me. I'm hoping to better organize it when I can declutter a little bit more, which I'm working on. It's a process. So let's just get started. Okay, so workout gear, I have my trampoline in here in my walk-in closet. Then in the very back I have my yoga mat and my Zumba step under all those clothes. And then I have this ball. I can actually set on it, so yeah. I got it out of my FabFitFun box. I don't actually know what it's used to work out for, but hey. And then behind this bag, I've got 2 single weights and my 8-pound weight bar. And then in this bin, I have my foam roller, resistant bands, ankle weights, the legs for the trampoline, which is making a noise, and a jump rope, which, yeah. Okay, thank you guys for watching this video. If you have any comment, if you liked it, give it a thumbs up, and like always, leave your comments down below, and I will get back to you. And other than that, thank you for watching this video. If you have not done so already, hit the red subscribe button down below, and I will see you in my next one. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.